In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and manage users in GoHighLevel step by step. Whether you're onboarding a new teammate or tightening up access across your account, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to do. We'll start from inside your GoHighLevel workspace. First, open the settings area. You'll typically find this as a gear icon on the lower left. This is where all your account level controls live, so it's the right place to create and organize team access. Next, head into My Staff. Think of My Staff as the roster for your workspace. Here you can see everyone who already has access, check their roles at a glance, and spot any users who might need updates. Keeping this list accurate will save you time later, especially when you're tracking who can see what inside your account. Now, choose Add User to open the new user form. You'll enter the person's first name and last name exactly as you want them to appear across communications. Clear naming helps with search, reporting, and internal handoffs, so keep it consistent with your organization's conventions. Add the user's email address. This should be their active work email since it will be used for login and notifications. Take a moment to double check spelling. A small typo here can delay access and cause invite emails to bounce. If your company uses a standard email format, stick to it to avoid confusion later. Open roles and permissions to decide what level of access they should have. In most setups, you'll see a choice between a standard user and an admin. A user is best for most team members who need to work on tasks like messaging, pipelines, and campaigns without changing global settings. An admin has broader access, including sensitive configuration areas, so reserve that level for trusted operators who truly need it. A helpful rule of thumb is least privilege. Start with the lowest role that still lets the person do their job, and only elevate if necessary. With the role selected, click Save. GoHighLevel will create the profile, and the new teammate can complete their sign-in from the invite they receive. If they don't see it right away, have them check spam or promotions and verify that the email address was entered correctly. Going forward, you can return to My Staff anytime to review who has access, adjust roles, or remove users who no longer need the account. A quick monthly audit keeps permissions aligned with your team's responsibilities and helps protect your data. That's it. Clean, simple, and secure.